5 exercises without equipment to transform your body forever. Regular exercise contributes to the maintenance of your physical and mental health. One of the simplest ways to lower your risk for chronic disease and enhance your quality of life is through regular physical exercise. You can choose to move more for improved health, regardless of your age or abilities. There is no need for a large, expensive home gym to get in shape. If you don't have time to go to the gym, or don't want to invest in costly equipment and memberships to get in great shape, you don't have to. In this video, we'll demonstrate 5 simple exercises that don't require any equipment and will rapidly transform your body. Also, watch the complete video. I will provide you with a simple routine to start getting in shape. By the way, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell. That way, you won't miss any of our new videos. 1. Squats. The squat is a fundamental exercise that tones and strengthens the lower body. This exercise can be performed virtually anywhere with minimal space and no equipment, and because it is such a primary motion, the benefits will transfer over into daily life. Squats are an exercise that everyone, regardless of age, gender, or fitness objectives, should perform. Squats are an exercise for the entire body. Body weight squats work the quadriceps, hamstrings, calves, glutes, and abdomen. One of the benefits of bodyweight squats is that they improve your gait. Squats will help you become more physically fit, tone your lower body and abdominal muscles, and provide numerous other benefits to your body. This exercise is so effective because they need such little space and can be performed anywhere. Squats develop your joints to move through various planes of movement when you practice them frequently. The power you gain from squatting goes over into daily life. Many people rapidly outgrow bodyweight squats, particularly when training for muscle mass and strength, as opposed to endurance or weight loss. 2. Push-ups. You can adapt your push-ups to your current fitness level and increase the difficulty as your strength increases. For instance, if you are beginning, you can perform push-ups on your knees or an incline bench. When you become stronger and are prepared to move to the next level, you can attempt more difficult variations or alter your push-up speed. Push-ups are an excellent method to improve your fitness level without equipment, a gym membership, or anything other than your body weight. In addition to strengthening muscles, push-ups help develop the body's supporting structures. Although push-ups are predominantly used to develop muscular strength, they can also improve cardiovascular health. For instance, because push-ups entail elbow and shoulder movement, regular push-ups will help strengthen these joints over time. As a bodyweight exercise, push-ups are also advantageous for developing and maintaining bone strength. Additionally, push-ups can increase your cardiac rate. Remember that push-ups utilize multiple muscles simultaneously. This means that your heart must circulate more blood and oxygen throughout your body. 3. Lunges. Lunges are excellent for developing leg muscles. The lunge is a compound exercise that targets the quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and calves. Lunges are also excellent for beginners because they require no equipment and can be performed anywhere with sufficient space for forward and backward movement. Lunges are simple to incorporate into a workout regimen. They will increase your heart rate and simultaneously engage your legs, core, and back muscles. Lunges are regarded as an intermediate exercise because performing them correctly requires some strength. Lunges have the added benefit of being a functional exercise. This means that they imitate actions you perform daily, such as picking up an object from the floor. Since lunges target large muscle groups in the lower body, they may also boost your metabolism. Consider beginning with modified lunges if you are new to exercise or rebuilding strength. You can accomplish this by performing minor movements. Your muscles will continue to work, but you should be able to maintain the correct form. You can elongate your stride and go deeper into a move with practice. Lunges can increase your flexibility, especially in the muscles that allow you to bend and flex your legs at the hips, known as your hip flexors. You force your hip flexors to stretch as you lunge. This lowers your risk of back pain and injuries while assisting your body in maintaining alignment. 4. Jumping jacks. The benefits of jumping jacks include mobility, increased blood flow, frontal plane training, and overall joint motion. Jumping jacks are a form of total body exercise that requires no apparatus and can be performed anywhere. In particular, leaping jacks are a form of plyometric exercise. Plyometrics are explosive exercises that improve speed, agility, and strength and engage the entire body. Because most plyometric exercises involve jumping, your muscles exert effort and force in brief bursts. Jumping jacks are healthy because they incorporate cardiovascular conditioning and strength training. During a leap, you fight against gravity and use your own body weight as resistance, which can increase your strength. In addition, the constant repetition of the movement benefits cardiovascular fitness by elevating the heart rate. Overall, jumping jacks provide a variety of health benefits for the entire body, and they are simple to master. And unless you have a lower body injury that prevents this type of mobility, they can be an efficient addition to your fitness routine. 5. Plank. Planking provides numerous health benefits. Core strengthening is an essential component of any exercise regimen. A robust and solid core appears and feels attractive. Moreover, it assists in stabilizing, balancing, and powering the body during virtually every other activity. The foundation of all coordinated and forceful athletic movements is core strength. A strong core can alleviate tension in the joints and improve your posture. The plank exercise can also assess the strength and stability of the abdominal muscles. The plank is more of a strength training exercise than a cardiovascular exercise, but because it engages various muscles, it can also help you expend more calories. Flexibility is one of the most incredible benefits of the plank exercise, as it extends and expands all your posterior muscle groups, including your shoulders, shoulder blades, and collarbones, as well as your hamstrings, the arches of your feet. Consequently, the plank becomes a more effective strengthening exercise. When attempting a plank, you put your entire body to the test. A daily plank burns more calories than traditional abdominal exercises such as sit-ups and crunches. When you routinely perform planks, you strengthen your core muscles, which increases your energy expenditure. Planks should not be performed if you have a shoulder injury. If shoulder discomfort develops, discontinue the exercise. These 5 exercises will rapidly transform your body and help you achieve the fitness results you've always desired. Start incorporating them into your daily routine and start seeing results. Try these exercises out for yourself and let us know in the comments below how they work for you. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends who want to get fit without spending money on equipment and gym memberships. Here is your simple routine. Perform each of the 5 exercises for 10 minutes each. Rest when necessary. Repeat this routine 3 to 5 days weekly to start getting in shape. Stay strong and healthy.